Here's a flat techno mix. And here's the same mix with 6 plugins. 90% of producers skip plugin number 3, but it's a game changer. Let me show you exactly how each one transforms your sound. Plugin 1, Voxengo SPAN, and it's free. This isn't just another spectrum analyzer. SPAN shows you exactly where your mix is failing before you start throwing random VST plugins at it. Peak and RMS levels, stereo imaging, all in real time. Watch how it helps me make quick decisions as I use this next awesome plugin. Black Box, my secret weapon for glue and warmth. I use this on the kick rumble group, drum boss, and sometimes even the master. It adds punch without killing your transients. Early in the chain, instant glue. Now on my parallel drum boss. If you've got a different saturation approach, drop it in the comments. Now, this next plugin makes drum feel alive. Satin gives your drums body and cohesion. Try presets like kick-ass fat drum bass or heavy exciter. Pro tip, place Black Box right after Satin. You control peaks without losing transients or loudness. And if your rumble messes with stereo correlation, like in this example, just add a mid-side EQ or my favorite, the X refinement on the master. Tape emulation on drums, love it, hate it, let me know. Now, let's make your bassline stand out. This bassline like sponge. I want to reduce peak levels and increase RMS to make it feel more solid in the mix. Compression's perfect for that, especially in techno production. And Bettermaker's mastering compressor does it with analog smoothness. Try the EPROM Synthbase preset, works beautifully here. Compression on bass can be tricky. Too much kills the groove, too little sounds weak. There are plenty of great compressors out there, and everyone has their go-to. So if you've found one that works wonders in your mix, drop it in the comments. I might feature it in a future video. On your master, you don't always want clinical digital EQ. Bettermaker's passive EQ gives you analog sweetness, perfect for enhancing the mix without sounding harsh. And with hi-hats and bassline. Map the high-pass filter to your MIDI controller for build-ups and drops. Game changer, check this out. The passive versus digital EQ debate never ends. Both have their place in my workflow. Now the final step, loudness without distraction. Don't crush your mix with harsh limiting. Ozone soft clipping gives you loudness while keeping transient punch. Soft clipping enabled, loud masters that still breathe. These 6 plugins completely transformed my production workflow. Drop a comment with your biggest mixing struggle. I'll make a dedicated tutorial for the most requested topic. And if this leveled up your techno production game, smash that like button and subscribe for more techno production techniques that actually work.